if you want to make your text from looking like this to this, so start following this tutorial step by step. Hey everyone, huge thanks for helping us hit 1,000 subscribers. Now let's dive into today's Adobe After Effects tutorial on text effects. Click on the text icon, then click on the composition, and then type your text. To make it align, select your text, then click on Align and select this. After that, you have to click on Effect and Presets and search for Deep Glow and drag and drop on the text layer. To make it look better, change the exposure value from 1 to 0.60. Then add drop shadow. Change the value of distance to 10 and softness to 20. If you want to change your text color, just select your text and click on this and select your color. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials and creative content.